Welcome to Promise Word for the real gist. My people, one pastor come outside come talk wetin go sweet my belle. I dey try to know since this pastor na he come talk am, he come sweet my belle. I say make I bring am come una table make una hear the gist. This pastor so he come outside come talk the main gist wey be say e dey always dey make me dey vex when some pastor go dey talk am. This pastor na he come align the matter. He come talk am say make men make dem try make dem dey observe their wife. More na try more na dey observe their una girlfriend. If una be real man, na dey know the real man. Observe your wife and your girlfriend. This man now, he don come tell me wetin me dey talk about that pastor that day when he tell me talk say when he burst out for nowhere talk say if you no respect your husband, the anger the man will bring out the beast in him. Then the pastor come help me now come tell am say no be so Mr. Pastor, woman need to still dey respect his wife. Na the man come out gbakata talk say man need to give a woman peace for round two to still get peace, because he quote am for Bible say man too still need to respect his wife. He say the man say e dey Bible. My people, this matters only my ear no go fit hear am. Mona watch video, mona see why my body dey sweet me like this.
Let me talk to you, men. Every man listen to me. A time comes in your life as a man where all you need in life is peace. If you have not arrived there, you are still a boy. You will soon arrive. A time comes in your life where all you need is peace. You need peace at home. You need peace to think. You need peace to be productive. You even need peace to be healthy. And if you want peace, you must give your wife peace. Because the only person that can take peace from you is your wife. That's the only person. So give her peace. Decorate her with peace. Keep peace all over her. Let her sleep in peace and wake up in peace. You will have peace. There's a way your wife will rattle you. Even in your office, you will become a dummy. You go to work, they say, what is your name? You say, he's coming. Nothing is bigger than peace of mind. And if you want it, then give your wife peace. The only way you can give your wife peace is observation. Observe. Know what works and what does not work. You should know it. I'm not talking about understanding carnality. Oh, I understand my wife. I know she doesn't like praying. It is okay. No, that's not what I mean. I'm not talking of carnality. I'm talking about know her as a person. Know her person. Know what works and what does not work. Know what to say and what not to say. Know how to say it and how not to say it. Know the way that if you say it, it will provoke her to anger. And know the way if you say it, it will provoke her to love. Stay with the one that will provoke her to love. Know how to relate. Know how to talk. Know when to talk. Know when not to talk. You should study her and understand how she functions. And then relate with her in the best way. So you can have peace also. You can have peace. What is this life about? You don't have peace. Always your house is ba 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 ba. You will die young. Give her peace and have peace. Let's all have peace. Let me also have peace. Patient. Very important. You dwell with them according to knowledge. Then the Bible says, giving honor to your wife. And the knowledge is the knowledge of natural things. Giving honor to your wife means respect. Then he now said something that many people don't understand. That your prayers be not hindered. He's not saying God will not hear your prayers. He's saying that so that you don't misunderstand to a point where you cannot pray together. Because if there's tension, two of you can't pray together. And because of tension, you are hindered from praying. That's what it means. So when I have a great relationship with my wife, it has great impact on our Christian life. It has great impact on our Christian life. 1 Corinthians 7:4 and 5 says we can pray together. First Peter 3:7 says, as heirs together of the grace of life. So you are first among equals.
Now here when the pastor they talk and so because now this thing I want my hear. No, but now just come mad, sit down for chair, that Chinese people just carry on now. Because they tell me say, woman, respect your husband. Yes, woman, we need to respect our husband. No woman for a right thing will say no go respect your husband. When your husband respect himself or respect her too. They don't just the carry respect, they ain't on now. You know, hear what this man talk now? He said now let woman go fit take peace from man and you go never see give man peace. Your wife will deal with you, you no go give the woman peace. You know what the pastor talk now? You know if you deal with your wife for heart, you know give your wife peace. You can't expect to get peace when you come house, you get peace. When you do work, you get. If you don't respect your wife, things don't go the good. Most Muslim men when they say no, they respect their wife. Things not they let the goods for them. They make poor. All their mates will they go up. Because what you're supposed to beg your wife put it's okay, dear. You go carry her high. When you're supposed to beg your wife put I beg don't do no verse again. You go carry her say now you be the man. The woman now anything when you talk now go they reach. You don't forget say woman. They are all possessed spirit. It's too much, it's too big. This is why they read this man is what he talk no, he sweet my belly and I they like to the hear him. Equal. Respect your husband. Be submissive to your husband. Husband, respect your wife. Give your wife peace. Give her love. Show her love. Take her out. Take her everywhere. Give. Do her the best. Even though you don't see, even though you don't even get, make sure that you give that woman peace and love. Money not be everything. Some people just say, if I don't get money, I'll feel bad woman. I'll feel do something. That money not be everything, my people. Money not be everything. When I be me, when they give una wife peace, when they give her love, when I see they even do that small, when I see they take the out at least once in a week, once in a month, once in a year, when I see take her out for one, when I see spend time with them, when we total walk like me went there for Europe. Everything now money work, money work, money work. They don't forget say money when they find so their papa don't find before they born them. Money when you find your people will see grow meet you, they'll still come find the same money. No go give una wife peace or how why would they vet every day because of una. Now say later now say the woman no anytime when the woman turn say the woman not get respect. The woman not get character. The woman do that woman don't born on they make the woman head the hot. This man he talk the fact. He talk now 50-50. Respect your husband, women. Man, respect your wife. Give your wife peace so that the woman will still give you peace. Because not only a woman will not give peace, they will still take your peace from you. So that you go dey productive. They give your wife peace. When your wife give you peace, make they productive for life. Make for the think good thing. Make for the reason good thing. As una dey for the euros, and I say because of paper, because of document, when a wife now they give her body heat. No, the better thing we not supposed to do, no go do one. This one people go fetch on money, fetch on good thing, no go do it because on the vet of the no the vet of the one letting the woman na cause what they do now. Na cause they not giving a document. Woman wey already carry your pikin for belle for name, you don't be your mama. Una wey some men, una no go do anything, una no go fit slap him because una mother. After you don't marry that your wife, so that why don't talk to your mother because they provide for you, don't fit born you. Your pikin when he born for you, now you is still born. The way your mother born you, because the woman when you marry, because he born you again, that's your children. Because they born you again, because now they feed you, now they wash your clothes, now you know whether your clothes dirty, you don't know whether you're hungry. When I travel and they respect you now, when I give you now peace and love, you know easy to their house. Woman they have money tonight, they wash your clothes, they do this one, you will go work, come back. You know the kind of work when the woman they work for us when you come out, you will come back for house, you will come meet your house, they neat. Your clothes is washed. Make una they give una wife peace and wife, when they give una husband peace and make peace for real for the heart. Because not only woman go fit take your breath within 1 minute. If woman won't kill you, go kill you within 1 minute. You don't dare go. If woman won't seize your happiness, go seize her within 1 minute. If you won't seize the all your body, will seize and will join her. If you see another woman, you don't realize time for another woman. When I take care for women matter. If una don mess up with woman don show na pepper finish, una say women na devil. Whether una fit lay the foundation, make the woman take dey like that. Because of una wey be male, so women don turn to lesbian by force. Mona dey respect, mona forget peace. Mona forget, make things for the work for una well. Document no be everything. Document no be your life, no be your word. Document na for country, they just give you the thing. You just ali you fit see the world, see get house, see they live free life the way they live for Nigeria. If you dey peace with your wife, you and your wife, they happy, go come. We know when expect when you want to call the document. If you give your wife peace, your wife give you peace. Things will go thing will they enter you. Wetin will bring money come? Wetin will make things you dey productive once. I beg. My people, now what I say me I can't tell now today. Go what this pastor talk when I hear so it's really for body. I say me I can't share with you. I beg this one I really for waiting this pastor talk. More than me discuss for the comment section. More than share this video. More than like. More than comment. Stay with me for promise word for the real gist. Stay tuned for my next video. Peace out.